Unlocking the power of text-to-speech on TikTok can transform your content, making your videos more engaging, accessible, and fun. Whether you're looking to add a quirky narrator to your latest clip or ensure your message reaches a wider audience, text-to-speech is a must-have tool for today's creators. At Famety, we know that staying ahead in social media means mastering every feature, and text-to-speech is no exception. Let's dive into how you can use this dynamic feature to elevate your TikTok videos and make your presence truly shine. First things first, what exactly is text-to-speech on TikTok? It's a feature that reads out your written text using a digital voice, turning captions or on-screen text into spoken words. This not only adds a unique flair, but it also opens the door to accessibility, letting users who prefer listening over reading enjoy your content. It's simple, powerful, and can make a world of difference in your engagement rates. To get started, create your TikTok video as you normally would. Record your footage, add filters, and set the mood. When you're ready to add your message, tap the text icon and type out what you want your audience to hear. This could be a witty comment, an explainer, or a call to action, whatever fits your style and purpose. Now comes the magic moment. Tap and hold the text, and you'll see the option labeled Text-to-Speech. Select it, and TikTok will automatically convert your written words into spoken audio, seamlessly overlaying it onto your video. But don't stop there. Experiment with different voices and styles to see what resonates with your audience. TikTok often updates its voice options, so keep an eye out for new additions that could add even more personality to your content. Whether you're going for a comedic effect, a dramatic narration, or simply clear communication, there's a voice for every vibe. Remember, at Famety, we're all about maximizing impact, so use these features to stand out from the crowd. Text-to-speech isn't just about fun and flair. It's a strategic move for reaching more viewers. People watch TikTok videos in all kinds of environments, on the go, at work, or late at night. If your audience has their sound off, text-to-speech ensures your message still gets delivered. Plus, it's a game changer for users with visual impairments or reading difficulties, making your content inclusive and accessible. Want to boost your engagement even further? Combine text-to-speech with other Famety-approved strategies. Add eye-catching visuals, use trending hashtags, and interact with your followers in the comments. When your video includes spoken narration, you're inviting viewers to listen and engage, increasing the likelihood of likes, shares, and follows. And if you ever need a surge in engagement, Famety's services, likes, followers, comments, and more, are always ready to support your journey. Text-to-speech can also help you create a signature style. Maybe you're the creator who always uses playful commentary, or perhaps you deliver quick tips and tricks with a professional touch. Consistency is key, and a recognizable voice can help build your brand identity. At Famety, we encourage you to find your unique approach, leverage every tool, and keep your audience coming back for more. Don't forget, you're never alone on your social media journey. If you run into any issues with TikTok's text-to-speech or want advice on maximizing your reach, Famety's live support team is here to help. We believe every creator deserves the best tools, the best advice, and the best experience possible. So, take your TikTok content to the next level. Explore text-to-speech, experiment with style, and let Famety be your partner in growth. With the right mix of creativity, strategy, and support, your social media presence will thrive like never before.